David Dilling from Markzware, and today I'm pleased to introduce you on behalf of Markzware to FlightCheck 7.5. Markzware FlightCheck came on the scene back at Seabold 1994. FlightCheck 7.5 now adds support for Adobe CC 2014 files. That's right, InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, and even Acrobat PDF 2014 files and lower. Of course, also QuarkXPress 10 and various other image and print file formats. FlightCheck is your workhorse for prepress, publishing, and of course also for graphic designers. Discover and avoid print problems before they become expensive print mistakes. But the product is standalone, thus perfect for checking all types of files that might come into your company or that you're sending out. Also very important. As you can see in this chart here, the need for pre-flighting at all areas in the workflow is extremely important. Look like the true professional in your workflow, use FlightCheck. Markzware's FlightCheck 7.5 will allow you to pre-flight standalone for missing or not-embedded fonts, transparency issues, effective resolution of images, color models, hairlines, spot colors, unused fonts, font sizes, fonts that are too small, and so much more. I can't even name them all in this short video. Check the Markzware FlightCheck ground controls for all what is possible to check for. Now to use FlightCheck, it's real easy. You don't even have to worry about setting up the ground controls to get started right away. The ground controls at the heart of FlightCheck where you check up what you want to check for. You just drag and drop your file onto the FlightCheck icon down the dock, load the font database, and it'll start pre-flighting and checking deep within this file, looking at all used and unused elements. The first screen is a results screen where you get simple English language ideas of what the problems are, or warnings. Red is a problem, blue is a warning. The main screen is where you get all kinds of details. But most importantly, you get your colors, fonts, and images. All use colors at the exact specification, all use fonts. And real quick here, I'll just show you, look at that. We can see that there is a font used in an Illustrator graphic, which is placed within the document. FlightCheck will collect this font, InDesign will not. And we have a longer video on that, which I'll put a link to down below. For the mode, RGB or CMYK, the type, a PNG, PDF, JPEG, you pretty much name it, we're checking for it, and that you can find here in the ground controls. One of my favorite features is the page layout, where you can look page by page through the document, Illustrator logo, and let's actually launch the document. Look at that. We're now right up inside. Last but not least for now, a very popular feature is the collect job, or package as it's called in the Adobe world. We even compress the job, making it nice and small for the next party in the workflow. Very, very handy. Folks, this has been Markzware's FlightCheck version 7.5. Cruising over to www.markzware.com today and check it out for yourself. That we have a 30-day trial version, free for you to try out. Download today and see for yourself. To buy today, FlightCheck, standalone application for the Macintosh. Thank you, David Dilling from Markzware. Wishing you a great day.